What is Cash App? Have you ever wondered about the pros, cons, and features of this trendy app? Well, it's not too different from PayPal or other payment service apps. However, still the Cash App has cons you have to consider. And at the end of this video, you will surely get to know everything about it before you sign up. But first, let's start with its features. Well, aside from transferring money, the Cash App would provide you with a bank account and a debit card, which you could use in any ATM, especially if you got short on cash during your most important day. Kidding aside, some of these services are free, and yes, of course, for this app to pay its developers, then you got to shoulder some burden by paying fees. But make sure you register first, okay? This could actually be done very quickly, since all you need would be your name, zip code, and either your email or phone number. Also, your bank account doesn't need to be linked if your plan was just to register a basic account. However, if you want to enjoy more of its features, then you have to consider linking it later on. Speaking of its features, aside from the bank account, you would also need to verify your credentials to completely unlock all of it. Who knows? Maybe you're a top secret agent, or just someone who prefers not to share your personal info. Well, regardless, we have the data privacy law to deal with that. So if you may allow it, the Cash App would ask for your full name, your birthday, and the last 4 digits on your social security number to get verified. After being fully verified, it's time to check its app features. You will be amazed how Cash App's user interface is incredibly simple. Literally, it's easy peasy when sending and receiving cash through this app. So to send money, you'll just have to look for the recipient's name or phone number or dollar cash tag. After you have made sure that you got your glass on and hopefully filled in the correct details, then the recipient should receive an email or text alert. And at last, who would not want to receive money? So when you're at the receiving end, then just send a request by using either the sender's name, dollar cash tag, email, or phone number. However, here comes the tricky part. Since the app would let you choose if the cash deposited would have to go directly to your linked bank account, well, everything would be for free until you choose to receive your money instantly. Since if you cannot wait for 3 days, then you have to pay the 1.5% fee. All in all, Cash App is really a great app that would allow you to send and receive funds quickly, all for free, well aside from a few services. Also, all transactions, thankfully, are actually encrypted, which equates to overall solid security. However, despite that, once you open an account, your Cash App funds would not be FDIC insured. And yes, it's a major takeaway that you should keep in mind before you sign up. We have discovered an amazing topic about what is Cash App. And now, click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.